Hello friends, in this video I will show how to find last date and time. Excel file was modified. So firstly open Excel. Now here guys you have to open your file. Now here click on file, then here click on info. So expand this properties. Here you will see all information like size, title, dated, dates, last modified. So you will see the date with time, created time and modified time, author and last modified by author. Also, you can open file location from here. So this is the way guys you can find out last date and time Excel file was modified. Thanks for watching.